I made a trip to one of my favorite colognes shops in Baghdad. The cologne shop is located in Sharjah, Baghdad, and is a veritable oasis of fragrant scents and luxurious perfumes. From the moment you step inside, you are enveloped in a sensory experience unlike any other. The shop is called Raf'at al-Qutbi Shop for Perfumes. It is quite spacious with high ceilings and well-lit display cases that showcase an impressive array of colognes and perfumes. The ambience of the shop is inviting and warm, with richly colored walls and comfortable seating areas. ايش قد صار لك في مجال صناعة العطور؟
من 1990 يمكن مو لو 91 أكثر عليه ساحب. دائما العطور الطيبة مثلا يقول عليها سحب هواي، مثلا السيمياكي صار له يمكن 15 سنة هو مرغوب. لا بالشتاء أكثر يمكن. طبعا اختلف جو العراق هسه عن التسعين وعن السبعينات.
شنو اللي خلاك تدخل في مجال العطور؟
أخوي نبيل غير يشتغل قبلي بالعطور محل واشتغلنا سوي.
Our shop is popular for many reasons. We sell original, niche and designer perfumes, and we have the biggest perfume collection in Iraq.
The sales associates are knowledgeable and friendly, always willing to help customers find the perfect fragrance to suit their tastes and needs. The shelves are lined with bottle after bottle of every imaginable scent, from classic timeless fragrances to more modern, exotic blends. These colognes have very distinctive features, such as aromatic, floral, fruity, spicy, woody, fresh, sweet, citrusy, earthy, warm, exotic, intense, refreshing, sensual, romantic, invigorating, elegant, luxurious, classic, modern, trendy, mysterious, masculine, feminine, youthful, sophisticated, playful, light, bright, bold, soothing, relaxing, uplifting, calming, and energizing. Overall, the cologne shop of Raf'at al-Qutbi in Sharjah, Baghdad is a truly exceptional place to shop for all of your fragrance needs. Whether you're looking for a classic scent to wear to work or a bold, daring fragrance to make a statement at a special event, you're sure to find something to suit your needs and preferences at this amazing shop. The most popular types of colognes in the Middle East and Iraq in particular are those that are inspired by traditional Arabic perfumes. These colognes often feature a blend of warm, spicy notes such as frankincense, myrrh, and oud, and are often preferred by those who are looking for a more exotic and luxurious scent. Prices for these colognes can range from around $15 for a smaller bottle to upwards of $1,800, like this Creed Aventus gigantic bottle. In addition to traditional Arabic perfumes, the Middle East is also home for a wide range of modern colognes and perfumes that are popular with both men and women. These colognes often feature more contemporary and fresh notes such as citrus, herbal, and floral scents, and can be found in a range of price points to suit different budgets. There's a wide range of choices available to suit different tastes and preferences. Some people prefer more traditional classic scents, while others opt for more modern and contemporary fragrances. Some people also prefer stronger, more intense scents, while others prefer more subtle and delicate fragrances. Ultimately, the choice of cologne is a personal one and will depend on an individual's personal style and preferences as well as budget. The Middle East is a region with rich and diverse history of perfumery and is home to a wide range of collections of perfumes and colognes that are available in retail shops throughout the region. But just to highlight something important about these perfumes and scents, they vary from one to another, starting from luxurious, exotic, diverse, rich, varied, sophisticated, elegant, stylish, high-end, premium, fashionable, trendy, contemporary, to classic, traditional, timeless, alluring, captivating, seductive and irresistible, appealing and attractive, beautiful and enchanting, and finally, delightful ones. So you got to pick and choose your preference when you pay the visit to the shop. Thank you very much.